अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं एसे राइटिंग ऑन वैल्यू ऑफ टाइम। वक्त की कदर पर इंग्लिश में एसे राइटिंग। टाइम refers to the indefinite progression of existence and events. Furthermore, these events are from the past, present, and future. This description of time tells us an important truth. Time is indeed a limited and precious resource. Every second, minute, or hour that passes is lost forever. Most notably, this second, minute, or hour will never return in our lifetime. This clearly shows the utmost importance of the value of time. इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ टाइम यानी कि वक्त की अहमियत। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सबसे पहले एवरी वन शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट टाइम वेट्स फॉर नो वन। दिस इज एन ओल्ड बिलीफ दैट इज स्टिल ट्रू। नो वन कैन स्टॉप द क्लॉक और स्लो इट डाउन। Most notably, time will go on whether one's like it or not. Because time waits for no one, it becomes a precious commodity. Therefore, everyone should make sure to make the most of their time. People should stop wasting time and procrastinating. This is because time is not infinite. Secondly, time cannot be reversed. This means that we should spend every moment wisely. Not even a moment can go back to correct the mistake. What's gone is gone. Above all, one cannot turn back the clock to gain more time. Therefore, individuals should make every moment count. This is because that moment is never going to repeat itself. Nowadays, people pay a lot of attention to the internet, social media, smartphones, video games, due to which a lot of time is wasted. So, by reducing the consumption of these things, people can save a lot of time. How to make the most of time? First, doing something useful makes one feel better. People will feel better if they do more. This is true for everyone, even those who are not very successful. A good way to do a task is to break it down. Therefore, it becomes easy for a person to perform these minor tasks. A man should gradually do one small task after another. This should continue until the individual completes the entire task. Another important method is to choose the most efficient time for a particular task. Therefore, one should choose the most efficient method for a task. Finally, an individual should cherish every moment. Most importantly, people should develop the attitude of not wasting even a single moment. Finally, time is perhaps the greatest resource we have. Everyone has the opportunity to make the most of the time. Above all, it is very easy to waste time. So, one should be very careful while using the time properly. Time should be valued in people's heart. So, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.